Hello everyone, welcome to Wordpress in 5 minutes. In this video, I will show you how to add the preloading like this into your WordPress website. Feel exciting on it? Let's start our lesson. First, go to Plugin and click Add New. Here, search Preloader Plus. This is the plugin we want. Click Install and Active. Click Appearance and Customize it. So, roll down and you will see the Preloading Plus here. And you can edit the setting for the preloading. So we just click Setting. And you can choose whether you want to show the preloading either in the front page or the whole page of your website. And for the element, you can also choose which element you want to show for the preloader. For built-in icon, it means the circle one. This one is the icon for the built-in icon. And you can edit it in the next section. But for me, I don't like for this icon, so I just unselect it. For the process bar, it means the red one on top. It shows the process for the loading of your website. And I would like to choose the custom image, and I will add my logo later in the next session. And also I would like to add a percentage counter, which means that it will show the numbers for the loading on your website. You will see the background color for the preloader. And for me, I would like to change to the white color, and the text color will be black, like this. So we go back to the setting and we go to the next section. Since I do not choose for the block name in my preloader, so I no need to edit this part. But if you have the block name for the preloader, you can edit here. For the percentage counter, since I choose it in the previous setting, so I can choose how big it was for the percentage counter. And here the default one is 13, and let's try 15. And you will see the number will be bigger. Maybe 20 is okay. A small one. And we can go back to the setting and we can choose icon and image part. And also here, if you choose the built-in icon in the setting before, you can choose which setting you want for the icon. For example, is a circle one or the dot one. And here you can edit the size. And as I choose the preloading need to show the custom image, I would like to select the image for my website, so I just click a logo. You will see here the logo is showing in here, and I will try to make it smaller. And this one is the smaller logo. For the animation, you can choose for the rotation for the image, or the fade for the image. And I just choose no animation for it. Okay, we go back again. Next section is the process bar. And you can choose the position of the process bar. For example, in the middle, they're showing like this. For the bottom, it will show downstairs. And for me, I just keep for showing on the top. For the height, try to make it 10. You will see that it will more easy to see the process bar. For the color, let me change to blue. And we go back to the setting. The last part is animation. And since I did not choose any animation for the preloading, so I just leave it here. But if you have choose the animation for your preloading, you can edit the setting in here. And after that, all the setting is done, you can click publish. And we go back to our website, and you will see that the preloading in here. Very easy, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe my channel. Your subscription is really important to me. Feel free to share your comments with me. Hope you have a good day. Cheers. See you next time. Bye bye.